Pinnacle Peak, a granite mountain that rises 600 feet above the Sonoran Desert floor in Scottsdale, Arizona. This is April the 28th, 2023, and I had the occasion to go to Phoenix for a little trip with my brother and decided to take my drone and do some sightseeing out there. Pinnacle Peak is located in a state park, a 150-acre state park in the Sonoran Desert. It has a walking trail approximately 1.7 miles long that I walked it probably 10 years ago in the middle of winter when it was extremely cold. But anyway, this is the Desert Highlands golf course, which was designed by Jack Nicklaus. It was actually his first desert golf course that he designed, looking kind of northeast towards the McDowell mountain range. Beautiful area. I could see why a lot of people desire to live in the Phoenix area. This is further west, on the west side of the Pinnacle Peak, and that is Estancia Club, country club, there in the foreground. Again, it's just a beautiful area to live. Now this is farther east, looking west towards Pinnacle Peak, back to the Desert Highlands area. We're looking at it from 3 different locations. I thought it would give a better image of what it looks like out there in that particular area. I really enjoy going out there. I've been out there, I don't know, a dozen times or so, and it never gets old. Quite different than the South Alabama area, that's for sure. That's looking mostly north towards the Desert Highlands area. And we're over near the Canyon Heights area at the end of Pinnacle Peak Road. Very interesting. A beautiful place to visit and a beautiful place to live. Look at the houses on the sides of those mountains there. Incredible. Looking further up the canyon towards Lost Canyon from the Canyon Heights area. A beautiful area to visit, a beautiful area to live. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button too. It really helps out the channel. And to the far right, you will see the shadow of a jet that took off from the Scottsdale airport. There he goes. Thank you so much for watching.